Ko Tarau te Maunga, ko Otaki te Awa, ko Ngāti Raukawa te iwi, ko Ngāti Tūkorihe, ko Ngāti Ngārongo, Ngā Hapu, ko Turo te Tangata, mō reira, ko te Hana Hau. Kia ora, my name's Te Hana, I go by T. I was born and raised in Levin, went to Palmerston North Boys High School, and then later on went to Wellington and Massey University. I currently now live in London, and I will be doing for the next 2 years. I work as a digital designer, but in my spare time I'm a freelance illustrator and professional. I was actually travelling, backpacking through Bulgaria. I was in Sofia, and I got an email from David just asking for about illustrators, like telling me about it, and I wasn't too sure whether or not I'd have the chance to be involved. It was something that I'd be interested in, but it wasn't until the start of this year that I actually reached out to him and said I'm still in London and willing to get a go. So here Paki Taonga allows me to be connected to Te Ao Māori and also use my creative side, which I hadn't actually been doing for the last 3 to 6 months. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. When I actually got over here to London, I didn't have a laptop, I only had a phone. So I went and bought like an iPad and got a product called Procreate. So I've been doing them all on an iPad, and that's actually what I'm filming on. So it's all new to me. I guess the way that I usually tackle a lot of like visual stuff is I just go Uncle Google and like resource some images and use that as a base, mock up some drafts, and then I usually go on like Pinterest and like look at some visual styles that I want to kind of use, because I don't have one that I only use. I can really kind of replicate others, but also kind of like amalgamate different styles to kind of fit the brief. So I don't really think I have a like art style, like a locked in one. I do have like many different kind of series that I work on, and a lot of them like tied into my passions. So I think where I first started after university, I was getting into like Vikings. So I was drawing a bit of violent, really kind of minimal, like stark contrasting, bit of blood, guts and gore. And then from that I started working more onto like more like rap R&B kind of style, with doing these like portraiture ones, and also incorporating a bit of like manga that I was into, like Naruto. So I kind of really like this visual thing of like a Mangekyo Sharingan and a Rinnegan, and so I started putting that onto some rappers, and yeah, some people liked it, so yeah, I just kept doing that, and I found a lot of enjoyment doing that in my spare time. Thank you. Ka kite.